I'll just record my.
Curtain sprinkler system.
Yeah, water curtain system. Yes. Yeah. So here you see in water curtain system, generally water curtain system is used in basement car parking area. Okay. It is used to fight the fire. Right.
Sir, this one NFPA 13 only?
Sorry?
This one will come which NFPA? NFPA 13 or 14?
13.
In sprinkler system only, right?
Yes. Okay. Nozzle size is K23, and here we'll use motorized butterfly valve. Okay. And flow is 35 to 37. Here you can see 37 it is written. And basically we are taking 35. Flow is 35. So here you can see this is NFPA standard. This is NBC standard. And in NFPA standard, let's say we can use sprinkler in the water curtain system, such as desired in this hydraulically designed provide discharge of 3 GPM per linear foot or 13 LPM. Okay, water curtain with no sprinkler discharge less than 15 GPM. Okay, and NBC standard we will use K23. Here you can use 1 second. I'm getting a disturbance. Yeah, Shivkumar, please mute your mic. Yeah, done. So here we will use K23 as we discuss here. Here automatically deluge valve comprising deluge valve, piping, nozzle, etc. shall be used to zone the compartmentation in case of water curtain system. In case of water curtain system, existing water storage shall be supplemented by water demand for water curtain for 60 minutes. Okay. If you want to use water curtain system, you have to take a separate tank which can supply water for 60 minutes. Okay. So approximately how much required tank that we will calculate. Okay, I'll give a brief idea. How we have calculated in 30 minutes, 60 minutes, right? Based on the LPM. So similarly, you can calculate here. Okay, but it is for one sprinkler, but we have multiple nozzles, right?
Yes.
So this is the nozzles. Okay, different type of nozzles you'll find. And here you can see this is a motorized butterfly valve and normal butterfly valve. And here is your pressure switch.
Necessary to use both?
Yes. Both. Why means it is open. It is open-head, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And if it is actuated and fire stop, even though you will get water will keep on falling. So in that case, you can go and off it. So water will not comes out. Okay. Up to here, clear? Any doubt?
Where we are using this actually application?
Huh?
Where we are using?
Where we are using?
Where we are using?
Basement car parking
system.
Basement car parking.
Only, huh?
Yeah, basement only.
And this regarding motor butterfly wall.
You just type in a chat box. I cannot hear anything.
Actually.
It's type in a chat box. I cannot hear you anything.
Now you're getting?
Getting, but a lot of disturbance. Not. What you are asking? Hello? Okay, fine.
This butterfly, motorized butterfly wall.
Huh.
Why we are using there?
How you to
Reference.
that's what I'm going to tell you the operation. There you can understand why motorized butterfly wall is used. So now this is the working principle of water curtain system. So generally, this is a basement. Okay. We have normal sprinkler also. KAT. What is the distance between two sprinkler, Shiv Kumar?
Sir, 15 meter,
How
15
much?
feet,
Hmm.
15 feet.
And what is the type of the sprinkler?
This one pendant.
K factor I'm talking about. Basement pendant you'll use?
5.6.
Hmm? Yeah,
5.6.
right. Yes, 5.6. What type of sprinkler you'll use in basement?
Basement, pendant.
Pendant.
Pendant or upright, sir? Upright, sorry, upright.
Hmm.
It will disturb.
Now, for example, this is your basement. Okay, we have this sprinkler. Okay, this is the sprinkler K80 or 5.6, whatever it is. And this distance, for example, we know actual practice, the distance between two sprinklers is 3 meter. Right. So the piping is like this, for example. Okay. But now here you have a please mute all of you. Please mute your mic. Lot of disturbance is coming. So in this basement, for one zone, we will go for 3000 square meter. Okay. For example, this is residential or one office building. So for one zone, we will use this much area. Imagine here we have around 4000 square meter area. So we'll have two zones. So two zones means, so what we will do, Shiv Kumar, listen carefully for you actually, because though Dilip and Ajit, they might have installed, so they will be knowing all this. So for you, basically, I'm telling here, two zones. Okay, this is water cutter line, and we have a sprinkler here. Okay, so
This is nozzle or sprinkler?
both are same. Both are same. Water curtain sprinkler or nozzle, both are same. Okay. This is K80. This is K23. Okay, water curtain, sprinkler or nozzle, whatever you tell. Okay. Water curtain, sprinkler or nozzle, whatever. So distance between these two is how much? 2.5 meter. Now, for example, your fire has happened here.
This 2.5 it was a standard, sir.
Yes, yes, standard. For
As per
example, fire is,
NFPA, right?
yes, yes, as per NFPA, NBC, both all standard.
Okay.
For example, fire has happened here. What is the use of this water curtain? Especially, if you see here, observe quite minutely, the spread of fire, it will stop the spread of fire from this zone to this zone. If this is one
Yes,
zone
sir.
number 1 and this is zone number 2, it will stop the spread of fire from this zone to this zone. Okay.
This one.
So how it will operate? Already we have a sprinkler, right? For example, fire happened here. This sprinkler will activate. So how it will operate? This water curtain
Flow
system
switch will.
through flow
switch
switch.
will read.
Yes. So
The
what we
panel
will do?
direct.
So what we will
Tilt it barrier.
Okay. Here we have a flow switch. Okay. So here generally what we will do, 2 zone also we can take. 2 piping if you want. For example, this piping we will do for this. Okay. Another piping for this. Let me do it clearly because else this will be not clear. 1 pipe for this. Okay. Another pipe for this zone. Sorry. इसको भी उधर लेना था. One minute. AutoCAD is easy.
You can show in AutoCAD, sir.
I already have started. Then what to do? I'll show you somewhat on doing. Fine. So here you have a flow switch, and for this line also you'll have a flow switch. Right. So here we have 2 flow switch. Okay, 1 flow switch. Here in this pipe we'll have 2 flow switch. Okay, first you understand one zone, then only we can understand different zone. So here this flow switch, 1 flow switch will be connected to your fire alarm panel. Okay, so what is the use of flow switch, Shiv Kumar?
Yeah, once this flow switch pressure drop gives signal, it will trigger the pump.
That is pressure switch. If water flows inside this, then flow switch will activate and it will give alarm to signal to panel. Okay. Then another flow switch will be there. Okay, which will be connected to this. Here we have a motorized butterfly valve in this water curtain system. Okay, so that will be connected to this. Understand? So once it give actuation, it will operate, it will open. Actually, this innovation we have done little bit in our one of the project. We have done this innovation. Some people will be not knowing this. Okay, if this is activated, this is open head sprinkler. Open head sprinkler, and you require a manual butterfly valve to control it. This is manual and this is motorized. And this you require a power supply, 24-volt power supply. Is it clear for all? समझ में आया?
I'm getting the wrong thing, sir. So usually that flow switch you will connect with the use of monitor module, you will connect with the fire alarm panel.
Right, right.
But this one, how we are connecting with that activator? Flow switch
Actually,
and
one
in between.
see, two things is there. One flow switch is connected to a panel as it told.
Yeah, that one okay. That one I know.
Second, we are connecting to the
This one,
motorized butterfly valve.
no,
Okay.
in between any module, anything required or not? That's
Yeah,
what I'm
module
asking.
is required. Module is required.
That's it. The monitor module only will pass the signal.
Yes, module is required. I'm just see if you want to convert any of the conventional to addressable and all, you require a module. Okay. So
output module and input module.
Output input is required. So it will be connected to this. So once this get information that water has flown in this area, this zone, so it will activate. Then this fire activates. Okay. Same thing it is mentioned in the operation. Two flows.
No, one more thing, sir. I have one more doubt. That same. Can you please open the time?
Yes.
I'm not able to see. Actually, this zone was it was in between the both zones, right? We are connecting the flow switch from this side. This our curtain sprinkler was in between that both sides, 1 and 2. Okay, now you showed me from one side that the flow switch was connected. In case the fire happened at zone 1, that flow switch also we have to connect with this one.
Yes.
Okay.
That you have to arrange. Just I have shown you one zone to understand the concept.
Okay. No, this doubt I got on one project. I don't know how they cleared. The commissioning people have done. I didn't get that one because of I was little busy. I didn't learn that one. But this doubt from there itself, I have two flow switches there. We can connect the two flow switches in one. This one butterfly wall. Any option was there? I have to check it. That's why.
Two flow switch means they are using same concept. What I have done.
The same concept in between, because previously they have done total basement. After that, the curtain sprinkler system they have executed. They didn't plan well. So they have to put a kind of a four in a square partition, four numbers. Kind of they have separated.
Yes.
So everything was every zone have two flow switches.
Yes. Every zone will have two flow switches.
That's why how they have connected that one. I have a doubt, long-term doubt that one.
Okay, now is it clear?
Sir, can you repeat this only for this process because there was call that time?
What is it?
This flow switch.
Can
you repeat only for that because that time I received one call, unable to hear you.
I'll tell now. Same thing. This operation here. Here it is written working principle for water curtain system. We have two flow switch. Okay, this is one flow switch. It is connected to which fire alarm panel. Another flow switch. It will be connected to the motorized butterfly valve. Okay. Now clear, Shiv Kumar?
Yeah, clear.
So two flows.
The line will be separated. This water content system line will be separate line.
Yeah, separate line. Separate riser, separate pump, separate tank. Everything is separate.
There is no connection in between the sprinkler and here.
No. That is
only electrical signal only.
What?
This fire alarm signal only. In between there is a connection.
Yes.
The remaining nothing. No physical, mechanical connection.
No. Same thing. It is written here. Two flow switch in the sprinkler. When sprinkler burst in the basement of any zone, flow switch for the sprinkler located in that zone get activated and it actuate the motorized butterfly valve and finally water curtain nozzle activate. Okay. If this sprinkler burst, okay, water flows. Okay. This flow switch give activation to the motorized butterfly valve and this open it and flow the water. And here we have a manually means you can off it accordingly and you require a power supply as I told 230 volt power supply. and the cable is 3 core 1.5 square cable. And this is your water curtain system, and this is your normal K80 or K5.6 sprinkler. For motorized butterfly valve, 230 volt power supply required for cable, 3 core 1.5 square manually, and manually butterfly valve placed after. Okay, motorized butterfly valve after
230
5.
watts. But there you told 24 watt DC.
I think 230, my mistake.
230 is
230,
correct.
yeah.
Okay, then
230. I think some here some text error. Here somewhere it is written. Okay, not written. Okay, I think yeah. 230 it is. By mistake, something I told. 24, yeah. Now clear? So we'll understand
Clear,
it.
clear, clear.
So this is your water curtain system, okay? Nozzle. How it's placed.
So this one, how they install upright, this one or
1 minute, 1 minute. Shikha. Clear how it will operate? Hello?
I'm
Shiv
clear.
Kumar?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
What you're telling?
Yes, sir.
This the position, sprinkler position,
Hmm.
it will be upright or pendant.
Okay, okay. 1 second, I'll just show you. So this one you know, right? This is all upright or pendant, whatever you can give as per your requirement. Okay, and this sprinkler, how it will be? This is the pipe. I'm drawing a section. Okay, this is a pipe. I'm drawing a section. You understand, no? What does section means?
Yeah,
From there, your water curtain is fixed. Side of the, and water spray like this. Okay. If you see the front view, this is the pipe. On the pipe itself, it will be fixed, not upright pendant on the pipe itself. So there is a frame like this.
okay, okay, understand.
You saw in the image, the video.
Yeah, I saw that. That's why I have doubt.
Okay. Like this. Clear? Next is calculation. How to calculate the pump capacity. Okay. And this is given all the zone. How many zone you have to consider? Zone or compartmentation. How much compartmentation? For basement car parking, 3,000. For basement other than car parking, 2,000. Okay. Business, 3,000. Okay. All those area we will take accordingly, and minimum if it is more than 750 square meter, then you have to go for water curtain system. So water curtain pump we have to calculate based on the number of sprinkler in one zone. So what you have to arrive in one zone. Okay, how many number of nozzle is there? For example, we have 5 zone, or consider we have 3 zone. Okay, in zone 1 we have 20 nozzle. Okay, zone 2 we have 25 nozzles. Zone 3 we have 35 nozzles. So we'll calculate based on the highest number of nozzles, which any zone have highest number of nozzles, we will take that number. For example, here we have 35, right? So one nozzle will give 35 LPM. One nozzle will give 35 LPM, right? Already we discussed each nozzle's flow 35 LPM. So 35 into here 35 number of sprinkler. Okay. Then we'll calculate the total LPM.
Maximum was 30 numbers.
Huh?
But maximum number of sprinkler in nozzle in any zone equal to 30 numbers you have mentioned.
No, that is example. That is example. That is not standard.
Okay.
Maximum number of
That's
sprinkler nozzle in any zone is 30. In that particular area project, it is 30 number. So that is in
Okay,
35 multiplied with 30. We are getting this. Don't think that it is limited to 30. You can go for 40, 50.
That's why I must. Is there any standard? Was there anything?
No,
This
no,
much
no,
only we
no,
have to put in.
no, no.
No.
You have to maintain the distance 2.5. Okay.
2.5.
So you got flow. Once you got the flow, specific gravity water, you know, one head you have to calculate. Head, how you will calculate? Pump head, Dilip. I will calculate pump head.
Yeah, okay. Q and that formula is
Which formula?
Q into specific gravity into head divided by 3960 into efficiency.
No, that is HP. I am talking about head, only head. The task I have given, no one has replied. Only Ajit has replied. Shiv Kumar has replied, not replied.
H2, H3, H4, H5, H6 plus 10% safety factor.
Right. That works. All are interlinked. All are interlinked. If you don't practice, then every time I cannot tell the same thing, because head calculation already we discussed. Same thing here. You have to calculate head based on the critical path. Right. Once you find the head, we will get the HV calculation. So practice.
But here we have to consider all these sprinklers, right? But actually, in our sprinkler hydraulic calculation, that hydraulic sheet, water, we have some critical that area. Area.
Yeah, critical root also here also you have to take critical root. Why you will not take?
But here we have to take the total that 35 number sprinklers, whatever we have to consider.
No, that is hydraulic calculation. We are not doing hydraulic calculation, boss.
Okay.
1 minute. Let me clarify your doubt. For example, we have three basement. Okay. And your pump room is here.
Okay.
This is the critical path. How many number of sprinklers coming that?
Okay.
That is because for number of sprinkler we have calculated, we have arrived the flow GPM 236 GPM in that calculation. But here already we have arrived the GPM. Right?
Okay.
Here we are calculating the head only. H1, H2, all these things. For example, S6 is not available here. Yes.
Okay.
If S6 here, there is no hose drill or hydrant. In that case, it will be 0.
Okay.
This is your next task.
Is there any minimum pressure required, kind of?
No, minimum. I think you required same 0.5 last.
Okay, that is standard minimum 0.5 only.
Yeah. At last, you can maintain
That-
around 1 minute. At last, in our head calculation, we are maintaining 3.5, right?
Yeah. For
Here,
last item, we consider
here you make it 3.
3.
3 bar.
Okay.
Right. So based on that, we'll calculate the pump capacity. This is the task. Both tasks you have to submit. Shiv Kumar and Dilip.
Okay.
So firefighting is complete. Fire alarm will start. And when you are available 2 hours, you tell me. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, this week. 2 hours I want for fire alarm. One day I'll complete
Sir,
fire.
one more thing. Sir, one more doubt.
Yeah.
This orifice plate designing, can you please explain?
Orifice calculation is a lengthy process. Okay, first of all, because I have done,
Okay.
I have calculated. So what I will do, I will explain you next.
The drawing you have shared. The
Hmm.
drawing you have shared, I think, there something was there, but I'm not able to understand that concept.
So what I will do, some completed project is there. Okay, I'll share you the orifice calculation. Just you have to refer, because that is your one of the competitor.
SPTL.
Calculation is there. I'll share with you. You just go through once.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Because this is specific given by the contractor generally. Okay, I'll explain you separately. But if you remember, this is the formula. This is the formula given in the drawing. Same formula based on same
the drawing.
Based on same formula you have to use.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just
What
share
next?
it, that we'll check it.
Yeah, that I need to edit something and send, because some company details, all those things will be there. So I need to edit and send.
Okay.
Next.
सर कभी कभी जरूरत पड़ता है साइट पे कुछ थंब रूल है क्या, जो कुछ मतलब सडन बोल सकते हैं एक प्रोजेक्ट को देख के इतना इतना कैपेसिटी का लगेगा, इतना एचपी का लगेगा?
पंप कैपेसिटी का
थंब रूल एक होता है ना।
थंब रूल किसके लिए
पंप कैपेसिटी, पंप लोड कैपेसिटी और
पंप कैपेसिटी के लिए थंब रूल आप फ्लो फॉर एग्जांपल फ्लो तो तुमको देख के पता लग जाएगा एनबीसी रेट।
हाँ ये पता चल जाएगा।
तो अभी क्या बचा है, हेड बचा है। हेड का थंब रूल है, फॉर एग्जांपल तुम्हारा बिल्डिंग हाइट है, I'll tell you English so that Shivkumar also understand. For example, flow you will calculate from the table number 7. Type of building, different type of things. Head how will calculate? For example, building height is 40 meter. Okay, add 35 meter, you'll get 75 meter head. Okay, and use the formula GPM into head into specific gravity by 3960. This some calculation you will take 1-2 minutes. It will take.
Okay.
Right. Like this, you calculate and tell what is the HP.
Okay.
Right. We'll have one or two doubt clearing session, but I want fire alarm almost 2 hours. When you are available, just tell me. 2 hours I want.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, कभी भी है available हो बोलो.
Okay.
कल कर दीजिए.
कल करेंगे 2 hours. टाइम कितना बोलो. 9 to 11 पॉसिबल नहीं है ना. 8 to 10
possible है.
करना पड़ेगा. हाँ नहीं तुम्हारे लिए पॉसिबल होगा, बाकी के लिए सबको लिए देखना पड़ेगा ना. बट आई एम टेलिंग यू 8 to 10 हो सकता है.
I'll try, sir.
हाँ.
Still I'm inside.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow I'll see. No, I can. If you finalize, I'll attend at any.
Okay,
I don't have that
today you
issue.
are inside now.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Why?
No, some JM are finalizing. That work finished. After that, I don't get a time to go home, and that's why I just simply hit. After finish, I'll go there.
Okay.
Nearby only. No issue.
Okay. Just you decide in the group and let me know when you are available. 8 to 10. Okay. One day you need to tell me whether. Just give me Wednesday also, because I think maximum 5 class is pending. I need to complete quickly.
Okay.
So Kumar is because after 25th I'm not available. So just tell me when you are available so we can close it. Before 25th or on 25th we can close. 25th all are holiday, right? 25th and 26th, Saturday, Sunday.
Yes.
Yes.
Thoda sa just you have to manage those time. This Sunday we will close it. Because what are the pending topics I'll just quickly write down here.
Sir, after finish the course, what are any assignment there?
Already I'm giving assignment, you are not giving, no?
No,
First complete this
I'm
assignment.
doing it because some doubts I one by one clearing. So now I will give you one by one.
Yeah, even after the session also, if you have any doubt, you can call me and ask. Some project I will give to study. Okay. As I discussed residential. Yeah, one project we have done for hydraulic calculation. Okay.
Okay.
Another project
Sir, that
highlight software. Yes, we will do highlight software. We will do. So fire alarm
and
is
one more
pending.
thing, sir. That day I shared in group some photos. Did you see that one? Hydraulic some that flow requirement. They have mentioned multiple. I'm not getting that one exactly what
Let me
they
check.
are trying to
Yeah,
say.
I've seen those images in Facebook. Okay, let me check that.
Yeah, because I got yeah, that's right. Because from that calculation, head calculation itself, I have doubt of that one, that GPM doubt only. How much GPM we are considering? I asked you that day also, right? So I think here also they are confusing that one only, that GPM required. That's why one time, can you please explain that one? It will be good, I guess. I can understand what they are trying to say.
Okay, one day we will have doubt clearing session. Okay.
Okay.
FAPA, Elite software is there, and what else? All the codes, NBC and NFPA codes.
Yeah.
These are the two things is there.
Regarding NOC also.
NOC, what do you want?
There is included in the course or no?
What is NOC? You tell me first.
I don't know actually. That's one